Good morning, everybody. It is January 30th, 2013. This is the recap for today. The winner today for trades was the NQ. We made our money on the NQ today. We did take a CL trade today prior to the inventory news and scalped a few ticks. Nothing really to go over there. No real setups to discuss, but we did take a few ticks off the CL today, which was kind of nice. But let's talk about the NQ. Let's see what we did today. We got our fib on. Just on that first swing in the overnight before the session opened, and at 6:33 we got the bottom of it, and we were able to take advantage of this little run up here. It happened really quick. Got a late entry on it. Would have been ideal to get it in at 40 and a quarter, but I missed it. But nonetheless, we did get 5 cars on it at this price at 42 even, and we're able to get it to run up to our 100 mark, which was our profit. I think I had my profit target at 47 even, so I missed it by a tick. And I tightened up my stop, and I got taken out for all 5 here. Unfortunately, it would have been ideal to take half of it off here and then let the other half run a little bit further, but just managed that one just a little bit poorly. And as you can see, we got taken out to the tick, and then it went our direction. But not complaining. We made 2 3/4 ticks, or 2 3/4 points on that 5-car run. So that was decent. And the second trade was a mistake. I try to get smarter than the market, and even though we're in a bull trend, I was trying to fade the range. Figured we were going to be ranging today. And typically when you see not a lot of action in the overnight, you're going to be looking at a range for the day. And as you can see, today's just been ranging between these 2 points. And so it was a good call. I was in the market to take a short. It was a good fade. It was a good trade. It was just a bad setup. And an ideal setup would have been on this bar, and you could see if I would have taken it on this good signal, it would have been a perfect trade. So this one contract 3-point loss, what was it, $60? And it cost me a lot more than $60 because I knew I was supposed to take a fade here. I just took it the wrong place, and by doing so, it took me out of the market. I was hesitant to take another short, and literally it cost me a 10-point rundown on that short just because of this loss here. So that little $60 mistake ended up costing me $500 and being in the market on that trade. But, it is what it is. Every once in a while you make those mistakes, and it costs you. But we were in the market to take another long, and so we were looking for another long, and one actually happened for us. And we had this intraday swing here, and we got a good signal bar to go long right here. And so we got in right here at the top of this bar and took a long, put another 5 on it, and didn't quite make it to our profit target of 100. And I tightened up my stop. I put a stop just right above the 61 level and got taken out for the 5 here. I think that was a 6.5-point run. So that was a good run. Ideally, it would have been nice to take half of it or a portion of it off here at the 100 mark and let the other half run. Would have pulled out a couple more points, but not complaining about 6.5 points on that little trade. So it was a decent trade. That was definitely the trade of the day, and so I'm done for the day. It's 10 o'clock, and I'm happy to be done. One other thing I wanted to discuss with you guys is Vance and I don't know if you've been over to CL Trades. He has a price action journal on crude. Great journal. We decided to join forces and create a podcast. And we actually recorded our first podcast, which is an interview of myself and Vance. How we got into trading, why we're trading, and that kind of stuff. It's about an hour long, so hopefully that's a resource you guys enjoy. I'll put a link to the site, and so hopefully you guys enjoy that. Also on the site, we are going to be duplicating our post in Big Mike, so you have one place you can access that. We also have Mac from priceactiontrading.com, and he's going to be posting on there as well. So it's a resource where you'll get 3 price action journals on different instruments all in one place. So hopefully that's a good resource. Also looking to interview Mac here in the next week or so he'll be podcast number 2. We have a couple other traders that we're looking at interviewing as well. Traders that are trading full-time, that are part-time, some that are profitable, some that are not, and hopefully that's a good resource that can improve your guys' trading as well. So there's going to be a link on the post, and hopefully you guys enjoy that. Would love to get any feedback that you guys have to offer, and anything we can do to improve the service that we're doing. And so look forward to any feedback you guys have, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.